Litigation is a process when you have clients that have very important disputes, whether that's a family-run business and this is the dispute that they've been trying to avoid for a long time, whether it's a multinational company. They eventually come to folks like us and we try to resolve those cases. We always start by trying to find a negotiated resolution. If we can't find a way to mutually agree, then we enter into the litigation process. We have a group of people that have significant experience in dealing with litigation throughout the nation, both state courts, federal courts, and every kind of arbitration tribunal you can imagine. Alternative dispute resolution, or ADR, is an alternative to the traditional litigation process. Many times, companies prefer a faster, more efficient method of resolving their disputes, and that's where ADR comes in. There's a bunch of different flavors of ADR. You can have traditional arbitration, which looks a lot like a lawsuit, but can be confidential and is often decided by one, two, or three, usually lawyers or other professionals. You can also have mediation, which is being used constantly throughout the country now, and that's really a brokered negotiation by a trained mediator. People determined early on that 95% of all cases that are filed settle, and so the idea is instead of running through multiple years of discovery, many of those can settle earlier in the process, and so we're always looking to try to find an opportunity to do that, because as much as what I do is litigate cases on a day in, day out basis, I spend more time trying to figure out how to resolve the cases I'm involved in than in actually taking them all the way through, because usually that's just better for the client. But we try to bring creativity to everything we do. We really try to understand our clients' issues and the conflicts they have. One of the beauties of working at our firm is that I'm surrounded by people who are business attorneys, tax attorneys, who are state lawyers. They bring people like me and people from my group in constantly to discuss with clients before conflicts arise, how can we avoid them, and to really understand what the clients want and then fit our litigation tools around that rather than allow litigation to be the driving force.